Hey guys, my name is Venki, and today I am going to talk about the callback methods, or what is the callback is all about. Okay, so it's basically in general, if you have received a call from some of your friend and you are busy somewhere. Okay, so what you said, like, I will call you back later. Once my task is finished, then I'll call you back. Okay, so that's is a whole picture. Once you are busy, your function is busy, or then you have promised someone that, hey, once my task is going to be finished, I will call you back. Okay, in the similar fashion, there is a callback method. So as per definition, all you call, I will call you back later. A callback is a function passed as an argument to another function. This technique allows a function to call another function. A callback function can run after the function has finishes. Functions are nothing but an object in the JavaScript. Okay, so it can be passed as an argument. So let's try to understand a bit more about the sequential way. So let's we have a function f1. Okay, this is the function f1, and we want some, if we are, for example, if we have a function f2 and f3, if we are consecutively executing, so they are going to execute in the sequential order. Okay, that there is no problem. But let's say f1 takes some time, let's say 3 seconds of delay, or which is a kind of async call. In that particular case, if the cursor will not wait to complete the function f1, then it's going to immediately execute the f2 and f3. So in that particular case, we have to take care of the callback method. So we can pass under the f1 an implementation on f2 and say like that, once you finished your task, you can just please execute this particular function. So that is all about the callback. Callback means in that is giving the promise that once I am finished with my task, I will call you back later. Okay, so let's jump into the sandbox and start with some kind of coding session where we'll understand how it works and how we can do achieve the callbacks things. Okay. So this is the JS sandbox that I'm using for the coding purpose. Let me format it a bit. Okay. So let's say we have a kind of a method called a function, which is a task1, task 01, and thereafter what I'm going to print, we am just doing the console console.log, and after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to let's say task 01. It's going nothing, it's just going to simply print the task 01. Okay, I'm just doing the copy paste, and I'll be going to create another function with exactly the same name. Okay, so let's do in this way. I'm just creating this, and this is going to be print as task 02, and let's console these things. I'll invoke task 01, task 02. Okay, and here we can see we just let me clean up and just let me rerun this code again. Browser, I believe DTT. We have, I'm unable to see the console over here. Let me refresh it. Yep, here we can see we can because there is a no width, that's why I have to refresh into different screen. So in this particular case, what is happening, we are going to print task 01 and task 02. That's fine till the time we don't have some kind of delay. Let's create some external delay to execute. Let's say set timeout. Okay, and then we are going to call task 01 and having delay of 1 second. And I'm just going to comment this particular section. Before do it, let me clean up, and I'm just going to comment this section up. So here we can see we have a kind of task two is printed before task 1. Okay, let me refresh it one more. I'm not able to see another option for that. Let's control 0 is also not working. Okay, let me refresh into some different screen. Let's show you. Okay. So here we can see the order has been changed, although I'm executing them sequentially. Okay. So what could be the solution of it? Solution could of it would be kind of I'm just okay. Solution would be just a call it is as a callback, If I'm just if this is going to execute something as a fun and F, and I'm going to execute once this fan is executed. And what I could do, this instead of calling it directly, what we could do, we just pass this function task2 as an argument. So this is the target task2. Okay, and now let me just if it is going to be, I'm just removing it intentionally so that you can just see the output again. See, the order has been now is still off even after the delay is executing in the sequential. To wrap up, JavaScript is a sequential programming language. It executes in the order. It's don't delay or wait for something to be happen and then you can execute the another function. In that particular case, what we have to do, if we want to maintain the sequence or order to execute something, we have to use the callbacks. I hope you guys has enjoyed this particular video. Please let me know any feedback, comments. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.